There are several main types of contracts, including express contracts. These are contracts where the terms are explicitly stated either orally or in writing. Implied contracts. These are contracts where the terms are not explicitly stated but can be inferred from the actions and conduct of the parties involved. Executed contracts. These are contracts that have been fully performed by all parties involved. Executory contracts. These are contracts where one or more parties have not yet fulfilled their obligations. Unilateral contracts. These are contracts where only one party makes a promise, and the other party's obligation is to perform only if they accept the offer. Bilateral contracts. These are contracts where both parties make promises to each other. Written contracts. These are contracts that are recorded in writing. Oral contracts. These are contracts that are entered into orally, without being recorded in writing. Formal contracts. These are contracts that are formal in nature, and typically require special formalities, such as notarization. Informal contracts. These are contracts that are informal in nature, and do not require special formalities. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel LLB Students. Please like our Facebook page LLB Students Official. You can contact us for your legal queries. Call us at 0300643940. Thank you.